Nothing Phone 1 OS 2.0 update. Phone 1 OS 2.0 update. Everything you need to know. Your YouTube channel name. Description. Hey, your YouTube channel name fam. Today, we've got some exciting news to share with you. Phone 1 is rolling out its highly anticipated OS 2.0 update. And we're here to break down all the juicy details. In this video, we'll cover 1. Introduction to Phone 1 OS 2.0. We'll give you a brief overview of the update, highlighting its key features and improvements. 2. User interface enhancements. Discover the sleek and intuitive changes in the user interface that will make your Phone 1 experience even better. 3. Performance upgrades. Learn how OS 2.0 optimizes Phone 1's performance, making it faster and more responsive. 4. New features and functions. Dive into the exciting additions that come with the update, including cool new tools, app, and functionalities. 5. Enhanced security and privacy. We'll explore the measures Phone 1 has taken to enhance your device's security and protect your privacy. 6. User feedback and beta testing. Find out how Phone 1 gathered feedback from its community and conducted beta
testing to ensure a seamless update experience. 7. Step-by-step installation guide will guide you through the update process, ensuring you can get OS 2.0 up and running smoothly on your Phone 1. 8. Known issues and troubleshooting will address any known issues and offer troubleshooting tips. 2. Nothing Phone 1 OS 2.0 update content right for YouTube. Title: Phone 1 OS 2.0 update. Everything you need to know. Your YouTube channel name. Description: Hey, your YouTube channel name fam. Today, we've got some exciting news to share with you. Phone 1 is rolling out its highly anticipated will help you overcome common challenges. 9. Frequently asked questions will answer some of the most commonly asked questions about the update to ease any concerns you may have. 10. Our final verdict. Our honest opinion on whether the Phone 1 OS 2.0 update is worth the hype, and if it lives up to expectations. Join us as we explore all the exciting changes and improvements brought by Phone 1 OS 2.0. Whether you're a proud Phone 1 user or considering getting one, this update is sure to leave you impressed. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Stay tuned and be sure to share your thoughts in the comments section below. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Our YouTube channel at iPhone-CI8GS, your go-to source for tech news, reviews, and updates.